TopSmart is our newest ready-to-wear lace front topper. Designed with our Smart lace front, this offers the most natural-looking hairline for those in the mid-progressive to the advanced stages of hair loss. In this video, I'll show you what's unique about TopSmart, how to apply it, and how to properly apply adhesive if needed. But first, let's take a look at the base design and see how it's made. TopSmart's dimensions are 9 inches by 9 inches. The welded lace front offers the most natural-looking hairline, transitioning into a single layer of monofilament, which allows you to part the hair in any direction. The back perimeter of wefting helps display the hair around the head, giving full coverage. The 6 strategically placed, pressure-sensitive clips gently attach to your biological hair for a secure fit. The 3 clips in the front are uniquely placed over polyurethane tabs, which can be removed for the use of adhesive if needed. More on this later. Now let's take a look at how to properly apply TopSmart. Smooth your biological hair back away from the face, leaving the sides down. Use a little hairspray to help hold the hair back in place. Next, line up the lace front with your hairline. Hold the lace front in place as you attach the clip in the center, right behind the lace front. While holding the lace front in place, attach the back center clip. Then work your way around to attach the clips on each side. Make sure that the topper is as flat as possible to the head for a natural, comfortable fit. Readjust any clips as needed. Be sure to never pull the lace front. Blend in style using your paddle brush or wide tooth comb, and you're ready to go. When you're ready to remove your topper, simply open all the clips. Be sure to release your biological hair from each clip to avoid causing damage. If you don't have a sufficient amount of hair to attach the clips to, TopSmart gives you the option to use adhesive if needed. You can do that on the lace front or polyurethane tabs. Let's take a look at how to apply. Remove the clips using a small, sharp blade or scissor, being careful not to damage any base materials. Apply a small piece of red liner adhesive on the polyurethane tab, and apply a small amount of blue liner adhesive on the lace front. Remove the backing off of each piece of adhesive. Line up the lace front with your hairline, carefully adjusting the placement before pressing down. Once the topper is in the exact place you want it, gently press on the lace front area for about 10 seconds. Do the same over the other adhesive points, keeping the base taut and flat to the head. Then clip the back 3 clips. Blend in style using your paddle brush or wide tooth comb, and you're ready to go. When you're ready to remove your topper, apply lace let go onto a cotton swab and gently release adhesive starting at the edges. For more information on TopSmart and our topper collection, visit our YouTube channel and subscribe. Thanks for watching.